Welcome again. In this video, we will finally sort our image. We stopped at this code last time. Let's add our implementation of Quicksort here and adjust it a bit. Since our values are now stored in a field, we have to specify it. Now we are comparing numbers, not objects. Let's make a wrapper function. We should also add swap function. We need a method to initialize our sort. For each row of the image, we create a separate sorting object. And now we will write a method that will do exactly one step of each sorting. In general, this is enough, but how do we know that the sorting is finished? Let's update the code a bit. Now we store the result about the readiness of sorts in a Boolean variable. Initialize, draw, the moment of truth, delicious. If you are interested in looking at visualizations of other sorts, read the comment below this video. Bye!